This is the ADHD Mom Podcast. Today we're talking about the art of rest with ADHD, why it's hard, and how to make it work. So here's something that might sound simple but feels impossible for our ADHD brains. Rest. Do we even know what that means as a mom? It's that thing everyone tells us we need, but our brains seem to fight against it. And our answer when somebody says, "You need rest," we say, "I can't. Oh, I can't. I don't have enough time. Oh, I can't." But that is a fixed mindset. So instead of saying, "I can't," let's have a growth mindset. Let's say, finding rest is hard, but I found ways to rest that work for me. Before we talk about some ways to rest that work for us and our brains, let's talk about why rest is so hard with ADHD. Our brains are like a browser with 47 open tabs that's constantly running in the background. You know, like a computer, and it takes up all of that memory, that random access memory. So when we try to rest, our minds are racing with new ideas and new possibilities. They're replaying conversations from 3 years ago. Am I the only one who does this? I don't think so. Or our minds are planning tomorrow's schedule while remembering we forgot to buy milk. And here's the thing, traditional rest advice like just sit still and meditate, it often feels more stressful than relaxing. I've had people tell me, "Oh, you should try yoga." And yeah, it's probably amazing. But right now it doesn't work for me, so I have to find other things that work for me to help me rest or slow down. So why rest is non-negotiable? It's essential for our brains. Without it, we experience increased emotional dysregulation, worse executive functioning, goodbye ability to plan and organize, and heightened ADHD symptoms. Plus, when we're running on empty, we experience decreased ability to start or complete projects, more difficulty maintaining relationships and social connections, like getting snippy with our spouse or kids, physical symptoms like headaches and fatigue, and reduced creativity and problem-solving abilities. And that's really hard for those of us who are creative and work from home. Think about it like this. Your ADHD brain is already working overtime to handle regular daily tasks. So when you don't rest, it's like trying to run a marathon while carrying 3 kids who are all hungry and all need a nap. Eventually, something's gotta give. There will be a meltdown. But here's something we easily forget. Rest isn't just about sleeping. It's about giving your brain different types of breaks throughout the day. Sometimes that means taking a 10-minute walk without your phone, spending 5 minutes doing breathing exercises, maybe switching tasks when you feel the focus waning. Or it could look like setting specific no thinking times during the day. So my normal daily schedule is work in the morning, I have my focus time in the morning, and then when my brain starts getting tired and I don't really need a nap, I just need to do something that doesn't require a lot of thinking or problem solving. I fold laundry or put the dishes away. For me, these are no thinking tasks. Or they're thinking tasks, but I can do the task and let my brain wander and not have to worry about being so focused because it's an automated activity for me. Another thing that was helpful is I pressure washed our front sidewalk the other day in really dirty outdoor rug. And it was a light physical activity, although my back hurts today, and it could let my mind wander as I was doing something. And it was in the sun, and we don't get much of that in Northwest Pennsylvania. So the sun was also helpful too. But all of that to say, your worth isn't measured by how busy you are. Taking breaks isn't a sign of weakness. It's a strategy for your success, and we desperately need it. Like I said before, rest doesn't mean having to sit still, so here's some other ADHD-friendly ways to give your brain a break. Active rest. You could be walking while listening to music without multitasking. Creative rest. Coloring or doodling without the pressure of creating something specific. Body-focused rest. Simple repetitive activities like knitting or gardening. I crocheted a blanket a couple winters ago, and that actually kept me from snacking on a lot of foods. And it helped me sit and watch a movie with the kids while I had something to do. Or you could do a nature rest, being outside without your phone and let your mind wander while you're moving or hiking or just walking around the yard. Rest isn't being lazy, it's how we recharge. So find the type of rest that works for your brain, even if it looks different from what others do. Do you have a technique or tip that works for your brain? Or something that works for your kids? I'd love to hear it and share it on the show. You can email me, jessica@theadhdmom.com, or our website, theadhdmom.com. Share the show with someone you know. Spread the word. Let's help our favorite creative ADHD moms go from surviving to thriving. And let's have a little fun doing that too. Until next time, have a beautiful day.